I give up to you, my soul. Hey witches, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to finally be sharing with you my first ever Halloween tutorial. I came up with this Queen of the Underworld glam, so let's go ahead and get started. First, I'm going to be prepping my lips with the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Kiss to make my lips smooth. Next, we're going to be prepping our skin with the Extra Matte Primer from Erborian. I love this stuff for an all-day wear, and it smells super fresh. Lately, I've been loving the Born This Way concealer from Too Faced as my foundation. The shade that I'm using is Warm Beige, and I like to put 2 layers on for a nice full coverage, and I'm using a damp beauty blender just to blend it all out. I'm also going to be using the shade Maple in the Born This Way concealer from Too Faced as my contour. I really like the shade because it's a nice brown, and I'm contouring my nose, my cheekbones. We're going to blend this all out with the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe brush collection. Being a queen is pretty exhausting, so I'm going to be using the Jouer concealers in Toast and Chiffon to brighten these under eyes. We need to make sure that our face is going nowhere. So we're going to be using the No Color Powder from RCMA to make sure that it stays intact all night long. Digging into the KKW Beauty Cherry Blossom palette, we're going to be using this ivory shade as our base to get us ready for that red smoky eye. To blend out my crease, I'm using Bedrock Single Eyeshadow from Geek. It's a really nice matte gray. Going back to the KKW palette, we're going to be picking up this maroon to create a really sexy red smoky eye. We're just going to blend it all until we get the desired red that we want. To get that extreme smoky effect, I went ahead and blended in the inner corners of my nose. Moving on to the blush, how amazing is this packaging from NARS? This is the Heartbreaker palette, and I'm going to be using the shade Amour on my cheekbones and my temples to give myself a nice blush look to the skin. To make it look like you haven't slept in years, we're going to be using this red liner from Urban Decay in the shade Alkaline on our lash line as well as in our waterline. For a nice inner corner shimmer, I'm using a Rio de la Plata single shadow from NARS. It's a really nice ivory shimmer, and I'm gonna go ahead and spray my brush to ensure that it sticks and shines very bright. Our eyes are pretty much complete. We're gonna move on to the lashes. I'm gonna be using the MAC mascara in Upward Lash. When it comes to my lash, I'm always a bit extra. So I love the Yas Queen Lashes from Lily Lashes. These are super fluffy and long in the center, so they give a really nice eye-opening effect. Girl, we are looking sexy. Do a little dance because we are halfway through this tutorial. Moving on to the cheeks, we're just deepening up our contour with the Chocolate Soleil bronzer. We need to be glowing in the dark. So I'm going to be applying the Kilowatt Duo from Fenty Beauty, and I'm just blending those 2 blushes together to give myself a nice pinky glow. To top this glow off even more, I'm going to be applying the Lancome Radiant Rose Gold just on top to add a hint of sparkle. And finish off the face with the NYX Matte Setting Spray. Okay witches, this is where it gets fun. We're going to be applying this melted latex to our lips. Nope. To our eyes. So this shade is called I'm Bossy from Too Faced, and this is going to give us that very glossy, avant-garde, bloody effect to our eyes. And if you blend it very well, it will not move. I'm telling you, this gives that extra punch to the eyes. I was really inspired by this photo of Rihanna crying golden tears, so I decided to create my own. I used a hot glue gun and I shaped a tear out. Once it was dry, I went ahead and painted it gold, and there you go. You can go ahead and apply them with a little bit of lash glue, and they're super comfortable, and I feel like it gives a really nice 3D effect to the look instead of just painting on tears. You can even paint them red if you wanted to go for a darker look, but I wanted to keep this a little bit sweet, so that's why I stayed with gold. I decided to add a hint of glitter because I wanted the tears to catch a little light if the sun hit them, so I applied the Midnight Cowboy Glitter from Urban Decay. I wanted to give my lips a just bitten effect, so I went ahead and used whatever was left on my beauty blender to mute all the color out, and then I picked up my Lo-Fi lip in shade Amplify, and this gives a nice red pouty effect. Okay babes, that completes the makeup portion of this tutorial. I really love this look because I feel like it's so versatile. You could use it as the Queen of the Underworld, as a vampire, even a Queen of Hearts look. So let's go ahead and move on to the hair. I always call my wigs hers, or I name them, just because she's just so beautiful. Okay, our hair is already back, it's tight. And as you can see inside here, but there's some clips, so I'm gonna put this on upside down, and then I'm gonna push this underneath the bottom of my hair to clip it and flip my head over, and we have our hair. So starting with it upside down. Woo! So wild. Okay, so now we just have to adjust the hairline. The nice thing about this one too, you don't have to glue it down or tape it down. It's pretty tiny, so it fits my head really, really well. To avoid these hairs getting all up in my business, we're gonna be using this Fructis Style Sleek and Shine from Garnier. Okay babes, and I also have some gorgeous pieces from Mariana Harutyunyan. She does the most amazing crowns, jewels. She does stuff for Lady Gaga, for Madonna, for Nicki Minaj. Like, this is one of her beautiful crowns, and I felt like it went perfect with this Underworld Queen look. I also got this really cool finger ring, which is just, it's gorgeous. It has a ruby in the middle, and it's sharp, and it's just like a fun prop if you're looking for something for Halloween or even for an event. Like, these are sexy. So we're gonna go ahead and put on the crown now. This is just gonna secure everything. Just fits just right. I really hope that you enjoyed my first ever Halloween tutorial. I really thought super hard on this one because I wanted to do something that no one really had done before. I didn't want to do a vampire, but I knew that I wanted to do something dark. So this look just came to my mind. I'll put my inspo photos up here too because I really was searching a lot for some glam dark looks, and I came up with this one. So let me know what you think in the comments section down below. Don't forget to like this video too, and subscribe to my channel so you can see a lot more Halloween tutorials because I have so many more coming up that are girly and more cutesy and fun. But this one is our dark underworld queen. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys. I need my skull. Where's my dead corpse? This is your head when you piss me off. Bye. Are you watching me?
Yeah. Too sexy?
Stop. Stop. My tear is gonna fall off. Get out of here. Stop being cute. Damn it. I couldn't do it. Oh.
Angle it towards.
What is that? What is that?
It's trying to do a high five.
That was a bad one too.
Bam.
Okay, dethrone me.
Uh-huh.